Hey everyone, yeah, so this is part of the beach again. I don't know if you can see, well, that's an old dude, but if you can see that little green thing out there, those are actually one of probably the coolest things I've ever seen. They're like these tricycles, but they go on the water. So you rent them for like $12, and then you just like bike around on the water, and it's like two-seaters, like you get to rent them for like a half hour. So everybody thinks they're wicked cool, but they're not worth it, so don't do that when you go to Hawaii, but they are fun to look at.